Welcome to this important series on basic terminology of computers. Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss some important terminology related to computer organization. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update from Approach Civils. Let us start. Units in computers. As you all know, when we all use data, the units are byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte and petabyte. 1 KB is equal to 1024 bytes and 1 megabyte or 1 MB is equal to 1024 KB and 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 MB and 1 terabyte is equal to 1024 GB and 1 petabyte is equal to 1024 terabytes. Ascii. It is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It uses either 7 or 8 bits of data representation, and in India we have ISII, that is Indian Script Code for Information Exchange. This is a pet question of many examinations. What is volatile memory? It is the memory which forgets everything when we switch off the power of computer. Hamming code. It is error detecting and correcting code. Array. It is collection of 2 or more adjacent memory locations containing same data. What is dynamic memory? It is memory allocation at the compile time. Space complexity. It is memory required by a program to run to completion. Now let us discuss shortcut keys of MS Word. We have tried to give you a trick to remember all these shortcuts. I suggest you to pause the video, take the screenshot of this image and paste it in front of your study table. Control A is select all in the current document. Control B is to bold the text. Control C is copies the items or text. Control D is displays the front dialog box. And Control E is switch a paragraph between center and left alignment. Control F displays the find dialog box to search the current document. Control G displays the go to dialog box to search for a specific location in the current document. Control H displays the replace dialog box. Control I is italicize the text. Control J is to justify the text. Control K is create a hyperlink. Control L is left align a paragraph. Control M is indent a paragraph from the left. Control N is create a new document. Control O is opens a new document. Control P is prints a document. Control R is switch the alignment of the paragraph between left and right. And Control S is to save a document. And Control U is to underline the text. Control V is paste the copied items or text. And Control X is cut the selected items or text. Control Y is redo the last action. And Control Z is undo the last action. And Control Enter is insert a page break. And Control F2 is select print preview command. And Control F4 is closes the active window. And Control F6 is opens the new window if multiple are open. Now let us discuss the shortcut keys of MS Excel. To select all the cells it is Control A, and to copy is Control C, to cut is Control X, to paste is Control V, to find is Control F, to replace is Control H, and to introduce a hyperlink is Control K, and to open a new document is Control N, and to open is Control O, and to print the Excel sheet is Control P, and to insert a table is Control T, and for filtering of Excel sheets we use the shortcut key Shift Ctrl L, and for insertion of functions like addition, subtraction, multiplication, Shift F3 is used. For percentile it is Shift plus Ctrl plus %, and for auto sum it is Alt plus equal to, and for print preview it is Alt plus Ctrl plus I. To select the cell 1 it is Ctrl plus Home. To reach at the end of worksheet is Ctrl End, and for name manager it is Ctrl F3, and for macros it is Alt F8. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss an update from Approach Civils. Thank you.